Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fajar Putra Mahardika with NPM 401211000176. Right now, I will tell you about challenge faced students in speaking English in Indonesia, a literature study. Introduction. Education is a process to help people to obtain skills and knowledge. There are many methods in education, such as teaching, exercising, storytelling, criticizing, and research. Education can be divided into two types. They are formal and informal education. Formal education is when someone obtains skills or knowledge from the guidance of teachers. However, informal education is when students went to obtain skills or knowledge by educating themselves. Formal education in Indonesia is divided into several steps such as kindergarten, elementary school, junior high school, senior high school, and university. The English language is one of the important subjects that should be learned by students in Indonesian formal education. In the English subject, four basic skills are important to be mastered, such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. These four basic skills are equally important and all must be mastered by the students, especially speaking skills. Febrianti, 2011, stated that speaking is a communication form to transfer the individual ideas to other people into verbal communication or nonverbal communication. Speaking is important to learn because communication orally is an aspect in mastering an English subject. Speaking is an instrument for communication and people will see the fluency of students in speaking English. Isan et al. 2019. In general, Indonesian people don't use English as the native language. They have to learn for English skills such as listening, speaking, reading, and writing. However, Indonesian people, especially EFL students, have problem in practicing English skills, especially speaking. Consequently, there are many challenges faced by EFL students in speaking skill practice. The first challenge faced by EFL students is vocabulary. It is a basic part of the language that must be mastered by students. Especially in speaking skill, vocabulary is important for EFL students to build a sentence while speaking. Lack of vocabulary will make students unable to build phrase well. The limitation of words caused by the lack of vocabulary makes it difficult for students to determine word variation and use the right word equivalence when speaking. Therefore, vocabulary is a challenge for EFL students in Indonesia. The second challenge faced by EFL students is confidence in speaking skill. Confidence affects the convenience in communicating. Lack of confidence make students feel insecure while speaking. Students feel nervous if they make a mistake while communicating with people. Lack of confidence can interrupt the learning process because mistakes are also part of learning. It means confidence is a challenge for EFL students in Indonesia. The third challenge faced by EFL students is motivation. It is important to make students passionate when they find the trouble in practicing speaking skill. Teachers play an essential role to avoid the students from being unmotivated. In addition, teacher intimidation can also reduce the students' motivation in learning, especially in speaking skill. Teachers should know the character of students so they can motivate them to learn speaking English well. In short, motivation is a challenge for EFL students in Indonesia. There are three challenges that are faced by EFL students, namely vocabulary, confidence, and motivation. Furthermore, the detailed information related to the result can be seen in the discussion session. Confidence is essential when practicing speaking skill. Without having confidence, students feel inconvenienced when interacting with another person while speaking. Thank you.